What they do a year later was a fascinating phenomenon. They made every single user on YouTube convert their username to Gmail account. So that automatically made Google one of the largest email registrar on the planet. Boom! That's a fascinating phenomenon. So they had a formula, and this whole formula derived from, again, is the juxtaposition of incongruity. Once you could place your mind in a very abstract state, where it becomes comfortable with ambiguity, indecisiveness, and uncertainty, with triple or more interpretation, and you could train yourself to get used to uncertainty or used to or ambiguity, a lot of intriguing phenomenon arises. Creative phenomena arises when you take two polarity, two unrelated items side by side, and you have to merge them and create a single element. You have to create a single phenomenon. So this disparity have to become one cohesive phenomenon, right? And that is the highest, I call it the highest, one of the highest abstract attainment. Einstein was infatuated with this phenomena. Tesla, all of the great, and you see it exemplified in their artwork. Salvador Dali, subconscious and dream state. They understand that a great phenomenon arises